Today we are going to learn how to make a face mask out of a sock. You're going to need a sock and a pair of scissors. Lay the sock down on the surface. Cut the sock in half. Remove the heel. Turn the sock around. Cut from the ankle hole to the cut end. Cut it all the way through. Fold the sock in half, about 1/2 to the side. Cut a 1-inch slit from the fold. Do not cut all the way through. Open up the fabric. To put on the mask, stretch the loops over your ears. Make sure that it's snugly over your nose and mouth. There you have it. Bye-bye.